Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to start running. Firstly, if you're new to exercise, ease into it. Begin by walking briskly for 30 minutes, 3 to 5 times a week. Build consistency and get your body used to regular movement. After a few weeks of walking, introduce short runs. For example, warm up for 5 minutes of brisk walking and run for 1 minute, then walk for 2 minutes. Don't worry about pace at first. Aim to increase your running time gradually, and once you're running consistently, you can work on speed, distance, and endurance. Ask yourself, why do I want to run? To get a fit or a loose body, to train for 5K or half marathon, or to improve mental health or simply enjoy fresh air. And remember always to get the right gear, like walking shoes or running shoes. Invest in a pair of running shoes. Choose a moisture-wicking clothes that keep sweat off your skin and dress appropriately for the weather. And for women, a high sports bra reduces discomfort and prevents chafing. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.